Hey everybody, it's Joe again here today with Blockchain WTF, here to give you the rundown on what exactly is cryptocurrency. You've likely heard of Bitcoin and possibly other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Dash, or Litecoin. But what exactly is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency at its core is just mathematics, a digital currency formed from cryptography. Cryptography by definition is the art of solving or writing codes. But in terms of mathematics and computer coding, cryptography uses algorithms and protocols to secure and scramble information in an encrypted format. Imagine carefully placing letters in a boggle, spelling out several words. Encryption is just the action of shaking up that boggle board, while decryption is the process of putting the original message back together. Cryptography is all that cryptocurrency actually is. It is an encrypted string of data that's been encoded to signify a single specific unit of currency. Solving mathematical problems based specifically on cryptography produces a cryptocurrency, a process known as mining. But unlike fiat currencies, cryptocurrencies are completely digital. So there's no actual physical form of it. You're never going to be able to hold an actual Bitcoin. Other names for cryptocurrencies include digital currencies, virtual currencies, or crypto for short. Cryptocurrencies use peer-to-peer networks that distribute information and transaction data throughout the nodes on the network. This makes it decentralized and allows the transaction of this cryptocurrency to take place in a different manner than traditional finance systems. Cryptocurrency, unfortunately, is not backed by a banking institution or any other centralized financial institutions. Rather, because it runs on a decentralized network, such as a blockchain, it is backed by the protocols and the cryptography the network calls for the users of the network that give value to it. You could say that these cryptocurrencies are a type of resource or digital asset that provides value because of its function. For example, transferring value or validating transactions and transaction fees. Some could argue that the part of the value of cryptocurrencies sprouts from the trust in the system's protocols, which is what is relied on for transparency and the trust rather than a third party or an institution. This is because protocols like smart contracts or mathematical codes are used to govern certain actions. These actions are held accountable by the code, which is typically available for an inspection. They're also recorded on the ledger, that is the blockchain, making it immutable. Therefore, a recorded transaction cannot be changed, revoked, or lied about without there being a record of that change happening on the ledger. This can prevent bad actors or untrusted third parties from taking advantage of the transactions and the values of these systems. Another aspect of trust that's integrated into cryptocurrencies is that the responsibility is primarily in the control of the owners of those funds. There's no third party holding your money or in charge of it. You're the only one responsible for the transferring, securing, and transacting with your cryptocurrency. Major point, if you lose your private keys or forget your passphrases, then you're pretty much out of luck for getting your tokens back. Some may argue that that makes you less inclined to participate in cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. But at the same time, when you look at the economic craft, it crashes like the Great Depression or the housing market of 2008. Having complete control over your finances and cryptocurrencies may seem more secure than having third parties like banks holding onto your money in a checking account or a saving account. There are different types of tokens that serve different functions in blockchain technologies. The first is referred to as a native token, which serves as an intrinsic utility and resource within the network protocol. Examples of this include Ethereum and Bitcoin. Native tokens are a necessary component of the blockchain and the form part of its core. These types of tokens are often used to incentivize block creation, or in other words, validate transactions on the network. The second type of token is an asset-backed token, and it is somewhat equivalent to a former gold standard of the US dollar. These tokens are backed by user claiming an underlying asset, such as a car or a house. In these token classes, you're pretty much digitizing the value of a hard in-hand asset and receiving a digital voucher for its value in the form of a token. Wallets, like with a cold hard cash, are used to secure your cryptocurrencies as well. There are different types of wallets that will serve different purposes depending on what you're trying to do with your cryptocurrency. There are many other factors that come into play with digital crypto wallets, so be sure to check out the link down below in the description for a guide to different wallets and how you can store and secure your own cryptocurrency. So hopefully this video helped you understand just a little bit more of what cryptocurrency actually is. For more information, just check out our website at Blockchain WTF. I'm Joe, and I'll see you guys next time.